everyone, welcome to today's new releases. These releases will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern, and let's go ahead and get into them. So let's go ahead and get into these releases. So first thing that we're going to go over is the new Doodles. So there are the 10 new Doodles for this week. So you have the trash cans as well as the recycling. You have those in the regular as well as in the greens, the 4 different greens. You have the vinyls, the bingo cards, the crumble boxes with the different colored icing, the cowboy boots. A lot of these were really requested. The regular colorway for studying. You have the books with the lamp, and then also the bounce house. So those are the 10 new Doodles for this week. We also have the color of the week, which is this really pretty, like, it's like a baby pink with like a peachy tone, and it comes in the normal 9 sheets. I will be adding the 10th one in a couple of weeks, and it's so cute so far. But this will be available Wednesday through Monday, and there will be a buy all option, and there will be a slight discount on that as well. Then let's go into the foil bundle, which I just realized now is the perfect combo for one of the reformats for this week. But this is Champagne Lights and Sparkly Hollow in this new sparkle format, and I am obsessed. This is going to go so well with so many different spreads, but it is the normal foil bundle format. You get your 6 normal sheets, and I am so obsessed, especially with this bow. It is so pretty. I don't think I've seen anything this pretty ever. It's just gorgeous, and I'm going to grab 5 extra of these from work and bring them home because they are everything to me. Then let's go into the first reformat. So this one here is Planner Heaven, and Hannah of Planet Hannah did a haul, and she had mentioned how she didn't have this kit, and I think she like got a piece of it in like a rack bag or something. But I was like, wait, did I never reformat this? We need to. So this is the reformat of the, I think 7 year, possibly? Yeah, 6 year. 6 year? Was it 6 year? What was 7 year? I don't even know. Yeah, 7 year. 6 year, because 7 year was the Malibu Barbie. So this also makes a scene, which is really fun. Like if you put this here and this here, it'll make a 4-box scene. You have the double box here, the 2 fashion options, and this gorgeous flat lay might be one of my favorite flat lays ever. I loved decorating this with all of the deco. It says this planner belongs to a planner angel, and then you have like little Happy Meal over here, Caress Press, and Planet Hannah, as well as like Kittenish Jess's Instagram. I wanted to include a lot of my favorite planner people in here. You have the faux gold and silver mixed metal sprinkled throughout. The extra 2 boxes, you have this, which is gorgeous with the planners, and then the washi wrapped unicorn horn, along with the Aurastelle Cloud tote and the Print Impression Fantasy Wax Once More with Love and Scribble Prints Co. boxes. That is a dream. I'm just obsessed with this. I love the colors. I'm definitely going to be using it again. I'm like, do I want to use it for 8 year and then maybe use the, what's it called? Use it for 8 year and then use 8 year another time, because 8 year is just so anytime but so cute. And this is the freebie in the Ultimate and Mini. It is the like faux mixed metal glitter on the Doodles, which I think is so pretty. Or do I use this? I don't know. But I could also use this anytime, so I don't know. But I'm definitely going to be using it this year because it's so pretty. I love the colors. Also comes in a mini kit. Let me go through the add-on options. You have the extra color add-on, which is the gorgeous blue, the ombre, the label, the functional, the doodle, and then fashion option. Actually, these are backwards. Fashion option 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And these are both tall boxes. And I actually went through and like erased all of the stickers to add in the new format stickers in the background. And I think it was so worth it. They look so beautiful underneath her. But love these. And I just think you can see the details of the outfits really nice in the tall boxes. So obsessed with that. Definitely going to be using that kit. I just think it's phenomenal. Then let's go ahead and go through the next reformat, which is For Good, which I've gotten so many requests to reformat this recently. So I wanted to do something kind of fun and different with this. So I went ahead and did two tall boxes and the full boxes of this, which I actually haven't done before, but I think it looks so, so cute. And to kind of compensate for the like missing boxes, though you could totally like cut these off, I just want to be able to see their outfits in full. There is the freebie that has the 2 extra full boxes, so you have plenty of full box options throughout this kit. You have the boxes here, which are so pretty. I love Wicked, and I love, love, love these colors. I love this double box. I just think that green is just such a fun color with the pinks and the blues. Such a vibe. This is exclusive art. It is one of the first arts that me and Kitnish just did together. I think was the brunch one first. Honestly, it's been like so many years, I don't even know, but I just think this art is still so, so, so good. It does come in an ultimate and a mini, and then there are some add-on options. You have the extra color if you want to add it on, which is the red. There's the label sampler, the ombre heart checklist, the functional, as well as the doodles. And then there are a very limited amount of vinyls if you want to pick one of these up. They are on clear. Let me see if I can show you. But we have a very limited amount of them. But they're so, so, so pretty and so cute. And I cannot wait to put those on my planner. So that is for good. And last but not least, we have some new exclusive art, which I am so, so, so excited about. Oh, it's so pretty. I don't know when I'm going to use this. I kind of want to use it for Nick's birthday week, but it's during Christmas. And I think it's also Lila's birthday week now, so he's getting booted completely. This is a Goonies exclusive art set, and I have been loving doing just like some different things that I haven't seen really before, and Goonies was on my list. This is art by Darcy, and I feel like Darcy like killed it. Like I feel like it's just Darcy's vibes, like kind of like the vintagey look. Obsessed. This reminds me of Bennett and Theo so much. You have the scene here with the pirate ship, as well as the map with like a key and all the jewels. It's just so, so, so pretty. Oh, let me give you a close-up. I'm obsessed. Goonies is one of Nick's favorite movies, and it's obviously just a cult classic on its own. I did this. Somebody suggested this a while back, and I was like, let's try it out for this kit. I also did it in another kit coming out that's exclusive art, and I am like beyond obsessed with it. It's one of my favorite movies, and I know it's another one that's like a cult classic. I feel like a newer cult classic, but I know a lot of people are going to love it. So this is the extra box here, which like actually come on so stinking cute. I love this bottom washi pattern. And then the freebie is the doodles, but I just am obsessed with this. I'm so excited to use it. I had mentioned that I had a kit that I was going to use, the gold Planet Hannah pirate map underlays. And I think that this would be really cool with that, or if you got them in black. But I think I'm either going to pair gold or matte bronze with this. I think it's just a vibe, but also silver would be really pretty. You do have the mini kit if you want to do that. And then you have the add-ons, which has the doodles. This is like my third. Actually, it's my like 6th video today. So I'm like all over the place. You have the doodles, you have the extra color if you want to add that on, the label sampler, the functional, and the ombre. And that, my friends, is everything for this week's new releases and my last video for the day. I hope that y'all enjoyed. Let me know if you have any questions down below. Otherwise, all of these releases will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. And I will talk to y'all in my next video.